friends and fellow hobbyists, welcome to another Saturday morning show. I'm your host Gary G, and this week we continue with the group build hosted by Thomas Saltis and Jeff over there from Jeff's Model Garage. But here first, as always, the riddle. What was the name of the founder of Peterbilt trucks? A. Pittman, B. Bitterman, or C. Bichekowitz? The answer is always at the end of the show. This week we want to show what we did to the interior. The original steering wheel had some problems from the casting, so we made a new one. So enjoy this week's video about the interior. 3rd of the 2nd century, a man began rebuilding surplus military trucks for his company. And later they became the Peterbilt trucks, as we know them today. But what was the name of the founder of Peterbilt trucks? See you in the riddle. Alright, at the end of this show, I want to say thank you to all you guys for tuning in. I'll see you next Saturday at Car Dreams in Styrene. And don't forget, love and friendship, something you can't buy. Respect all people. Keep that hobby alive. Wanted to do it a long time, and it's just like one of those crazy car dreams in Styrene.